technology pretty much runs on microchips. I'm Paul Rash. I am an equipment maintenance technician apprentice. I work for Polar Semiconductor in Bloomington, Minnesota. The entry-level qualifications for me as an apprentice was I needed my high school diploma or GED, and that was about it. You know, people straight out of high school can come and apply for this job. If you like working with your hands and anything like that, maintenance technician would be a good position for you.
Looks good. Good job.
Shop class would probably help. Anything that helps you work with your hands would probably be a good class to take to get some experience that would help you out here. I do love my job. I've been here for 2 years now, and I'd like to make a career out of this.